What is good, you guys? Alright, this is a really quick video right before the Yeezy drop. I'm going to be explaining how to get multiple pairs to the same address. This video is instructional. This is for people who are just starting out in the game. I know a lot of you guys do know this jig, but then this is just an instructional video for new users who are trying to understand the process of getting stuff to the same address. This is a disclaimer. Do not use this consistently, and make sure your address is changed enough so that whatever site you're getting it from doesn't ban you, right? So like I know Supreme has banned like a couple people's addresses, like a couple of my personal friends, just because like they made the address way too similar to each other, right? So let's get started. All right, so what you have right now is your single address, right? Let's say it's I'll write this down. Let me get a Word doc. Word. All right. So let's say your address is, waiting for this to open. There we go. All right. Blank doc. So let's say, your address is 111 First, let's say Grand Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 133333, right? So this is your first address. This is your actual address. This is what you use for every single site. This is how you do it, right? You could, oh, my bad. You don't see my face. Let me switch this. View, float to top. All right. So you have your address right now, right? This is your address, correct? What you could do, let me copy that, is make another profile. So let's say you're using TaskBot, which I specialize in, or any other bot in general, right? You could have this as one of your profiles. So let's say, for my name is Sean, so Sean1 is one of the profiles, right? Sean1 is one of these profiles. This is going to be Sean2. But it's going to go to the exact same address. So instead of doing Grand Ave, I do Avenue, right? Los Angeles, I could do a suburb. So because I live in the suburbs, right? So let's say I live in like Sylmar. Sylmar is just a random thing, right? Sylmar is still in Los Angeles, but it's completely different from Los Angeles, right? Another thing that has been working on Supreme though, and I haven't tried it on other sites, but I'm pretty sure it would work on other sites, is if you put your initials in front of your 3 digits, right? So that's what I would do. So I would do SL, because that's my name, Sean Lee, right? SL 111 Grand Avenue, Los Angeles, California 33333, right? That's one of the basic things that you could do for your address. There's other things like street to street, circle to circle, right? If you guys have units in your thing, so like let's say you live in apartment 5, right? You could do unit 5, you could do number 5, right? You could do building 5. You have different words and prefixes that you could use on the things. And if you're a hardcore copper, right? If you guys want a lot of items, I know some people that do apartment like 5, apartment 5A, apartment 5A, room 3. I see some people doing stuff like that. There's other things that you could do. And honestly, it's just figure out different ways to make your address still look the same to the postal office, so like USPS or like UPS or any of these postal offices, but looks different to the system that's logging your address in, right? For Supreme, if I want multiple things sent to my address, right, I always do the different letters in front of the thing, right? And then I use the suburbs. So let's, like, what was it? Grand Ave, Los Angeles, California, 91111, right? So that, pretend that's like my address, right? So my first address would be this one, right? The generic one, right? Second one would be SL, right? Grand Avenue. I would put that, right? Third one, I would put Grand Avenue, and then like Silmar. I don't know. Silmar, California, 91333, right? And then I would switch this to Avenue 2, right? Because this one and this one are less similar than this one and this one, right? So these are the 3 profiles that I would use on whatever sites that I'm going on. This is just a disclaimer. If you guys get banned from these sites, it's not my fault. Just use this information in an instructional way. So this is a really quick video on how to do it. Really fast, a shout out. So I am personally running carts for blue tints on a website called sneakertalk.io. Okay, and I'll link it down in the description below. We're selling carts for $50, which I think is the cheapest out of anyone. So we're just starting out, and there will be a bunch of carts for UK, for US, and whatever. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, or follow me on Twitter at purehypeworthy. So yeah, until the next video, peace. I'll probably do a live cop or not a live cop. I'll probably do a video on how I did on the blue tints. Peace.